Hi everyone, Pete Snow here for Xylem Rental Solutions, and today we're talking about portable bypass pumping. In particular, the challenges faced when running discharge piping across an open roadway. For decades, the common practice was called cut and cover, and that's where you dig up the roadway, bury the pipeline, and then cover it with metal plates. But that's expensive. First you have to do all that digging, and then you have to return the road to the original condition. Xylem Rental Solutions offers an alternative. Road ramps. Road ramps are rectangular tubular steel welded into header boxes with a flange at either end. So the flow from the discharge travels through the road ramp. It acts kind of like a speed bump. It's capable of handling the flow through the road ramp from the discharge of the pump. So with this, you don't have to cut and cover, saving all sorts of money and time. They're available in sizes like the 4-inch one you see here behind me, all the way up to huge ones with 24-inch flanges that can handle up to 15,000 gallons a minute. They can easily span a 2-lane roadway by connecting two of them right next to one another. For more information about Xylem Rental Solutions and road ramps in particular, contact your local Xylem Rental Solutions pump expert. For Xylem Rental Solutions, I'm Pete Snow. See you next time.